Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny 2 on Mac. Since the game isn't directly supported, we'll explore two primary methods to get you into the action. First, we'll look at cloud gaming, which streams the game to your device. Then, we'll cover setting up a Windows environment on your Mac, allowing you to run the PC version. Both approaches offer distinct advantages for enjoying this expansive universe. Cloud gaming is a fantastic way to play Destiny 2 without needing a high-end Mac. Services like GeForce Now or Shadow PC handle all the heavy lifting, streaming the game directly to your screen. This means no massive downloads taking up over 100 gigabytes of storage, and you don't need to worry about your Mac's specifications. Just ensure you have a fast, reliable internet connection, preferably 50 megabits per second or higher, for smooth gameplay. For those who prefer a more traditional PC gaming experience, running a Windows environment on your Mac is a viable path. If you have an Intel-based Mac, Boot Camp allows you to install Windows natively, offering excellent performance. Apple Silicon Mac users can utilize virtualization software, such as Parallels Desktop, to run Windows. Both options require a significant amount of free storage, around 105 gigabytes for Destiny 2, and your Mac's processing power will influence the game's performance. To truly enhance your Destiny 2 experience on Mac, consider a few optimization tips. For cloud gaming, a wired Ethernet connection is always superior to Wi-Fi for minimizing latency. Regardless of your method, using a proper gaming mouse, keyboard, or controller will significantly improve your precision and comfort. Experiment with in-game graphics settings to find the best balance between visual quality and smooth frame rates. Keeping your Mac OS and any virtualization software updated also helps ensure peak performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.